To do the markings on the intake cam, what you're going to do is we're going to find this one F in between the two holes. Your A or whatever letter should be on the bottom, and you're going to go to the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the 6th one is our new mark. That is our new number 2 mark right there. And that is the intake markings that we're going to put on the exhaust side. Alright, now that you got your cam marked, it goes in exactly as you would put the exhaust cam. Same marking, still 16 links from the number 3 mark on the intake. And the nice thing about this is you shouldn't have to redo your valve lash. This doesn't really affect the clearance, and it's pretty much the same as the stock exhaust does. Now that you got your front intake cam on the exhaust, we're going to do the rear. So to do the rear, you're going to take the F, spin it 360 degrees so the F is lined up again. And this is how you put on the rear intakes. So as you can see, this is our rear exhaust cam here, and this is the rear intake that we're going to put on the exhaust side. The difference between this and the front is the front exhaust number that you line up with is a 2, the rear is a 3. So we have a 3 on our new intake, well, barely a 3, but 3, and that's how we're going to put them in the motor. So just like the front, we get our cam, our intake's a 2, and you count 16 links until we get to the 3 mark on our rear, and that's how you're in business. And what I do to make sure everything is good is I'll just stick my finger and push against the chain guide and make sure that this line that's going horizontal here is level with the surface of the head on the cam that is stock for the motor. Obviously the line for our new exhaust cam is going to be different because it's actually an intake cam.